Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer items between accounts in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. We're going to see if it's possible to transfer items between accounts in Roblox. Is it possible or not? Let's find out. As you can see, I have this account over here that I'm signed into on the official Roblox website, and if I go over to my avatar editor, I have some items that maybe I want to try to transfer to another account. If you have the same situation and you're wondering if you are able to transfer any of your currently owned items to another account, here is what Roblox has to say about transferring items between accounts. First, click the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and then select Help and Safety from the drop-down menu that appears. Here, now click on Help Center, and we will be taken into the Roblox support page or the Roblox Help Center, where we can search for the word items in the search bar at the middle of the screen, and immediately we should see this article pop up. Can I move items, experiences, or Robux from one account to another? This is what the official Roblox Help Center has to say about transferring items. There is no system in place to transfer items or Robux between your accounts. It is, however, possible to transfer your experiences using Roblox Studio. So, according to the official Roblox Help Center, it is impossible to transfer items in Robux. You can only transfer experiences between accounts. So, any methods that claim they have a way to transfer items between accounts are scams. Never share your password with any of these methods, and be careful, because there is no way to transfer items between accounts in Roblox. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to transfer anything between accounts besides experiences. So that's basically how you can transfer items between accounts in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.